Okay, we're doing a single leg finish off of the seatbelt. And so I get in for a single leg like this, and my opponent is defending pretty good here. What I want to do now, go into the seatbelt position. From here, I'm going to throw this knee in, sort of like a knee slide, as I crack him back with my head. So I'm going to look over my inside shoulder, and then I'm going to drop to my knee and spin off my knee. So step in like this, I'm going to crack him back with my head, get my takedown, hit my knee, and spin off my knee. Single leg finish off the seatbelt. So I drive up like this, driving away, go to the seatbelt, and I step in front as I look. My chin's going to smack him right in the stomach, and I'm going to fall down to my inside knee. Make sure you use that seatbelt. So here, get the seatbelt on. Now I might even swing his leg out like this. So I'm driving, seatbelt on, swing his leg out like this, step in, I'm gonna follow my inside knee, my chin is gonna hit him in the hip, in the stomach. Now I'm gonna pivot off my knee. From this side, single leg finish off the seatbelt. Grab the seatbelt. I can keep it in between my legs, or I can whip it out to the side. I'm gonna step here like this, hit him in my stomach. My outside leg is gonna follow through. Single leg finish off the seatbelt hold.